allemaal! I've been looking at Pinterest and finding some totally cute ideas, and since I have no creativity whatsoever, I'm gonna copy one of those ideas. So here's some images of what other people have made, and I am gonna use this beret and turn it into a cute little mushroom, so I can finally revert to my true form of being a tiny little woodland mushroom. This will kind of sort of maybe not really be a tutorial. I'm gonna try my best, but I am not a really efficient craftsy person. I am usually a chaotic crafty person. So I will try my best and I hope you enjoy. Maybe you can follow along. If you do happen to make your own little mushroom hat, why don't you tag me? I would love to see your ideas. And it doesn't have to be a red one with the white spots, it can be anything you would like. So, let's go!
As for supplies you will need textile glue, white wool felt, a red wool beret, cotton tape, and a needle and thread. Since the autumns in the Netherlands are notoriously windy, I will start by making 3 cotton tapes. I can use a few bobby pins and secure them onto my hair, making it fully windproof. Because it really sucks to have your head blown off while you're riding your bike to work, and seeing your head flying into the river, because you're on a bridge. Not that it ever happened to me, After making this, I would recommend using tape that's the same color as your beret. I did not have any red tape on hand, so I ended up using the white one, which I kind of regret. Now you can take out your wool felt and make some circular shapes. You don't have to draw them out like I did. You could just cut them out. It does not have to be perfectly round, because in nature the spots are also not perfectly round. Make different sizes so that you can play around with it. I did end up making more shapes. It just looked kind of bare to me. Lay the spots on your beret to figure out the placement that pleases you. Now take the textile glue and dab a bit of glue on the spot. Use the tip to spread the glue around so that the spot is mostly covered. Try not to overglue, you could end up with the spider webs of doom. Press the spots on the beret until you have them all attached. Add more spots if you like. The drying time will depend on what glue you're using. My glue is dried in 2 hours, but I will let it dry overnight. And now, I must go to the woods! Thank you for watching. Tot de volgende keer.